So, okay, yeah, sorry. Here we go.
So,
Yes. So we'll say it in Arabic first and then in English, inshallah. Ashhadu,
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 an la
Allah,
ilaha
ilaha,
illallah, illallah,
illallah,
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu,
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abdahu
wa rasuluh.
wa rasuluh.
I bear witness
I bear witness.
there is
There is
no
no
God
God
except
except
Allah.
Allah.
I bear witness
I bear witness.
Prophet Muhammad,
Prophet Muhammad
his
is
last
last
messenger
messenger
and
and
Prophet of Allah.
prophet of Allah.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. MashaAllah. You accepted. MashaAllah. Welcome back. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. So everyone,